The concept of balance, harmony, and the interplay between opposing forces resonates with the symbolism of number 2 and its connection to duality. This video will guide you through the positive and negative personality traits of number 2, including its career, life lesson, life purpose, and much more. Number 2 corresponds with the moon, which represents the night, so the number 2 is a dreamer with a great imagination. They are often creative and have a natural talent for entertainment. They are also very welcoming, romantic, and charming. People with this number can maintain a childlike charm and playful vibe throughout their lives, and they thrive in beautiful surroundings. That also implies that if their environment is disharmonious in any way, it can make them feel very bad. People with this number have a unique ability to understand emotions, but also to feel other people's feelings on a very deep level. They are known for being the peacemakers and problem solvers in their relations because they have a natural talent for balancing their surroundings. Number 2 represents the water element, and it's particularly healing for them to spend time in nature, preferably by the beach, a lake, or another surrounding where water is represented. As number 2 represents the feminine force, they are great caretakers and listeners. They are very empathic, which is why other people find it easy to share their life story with a person who is strongly represented by number 2. Their empathy makes it possible for them to develop telepathic and clairvoyant skills. Their biggest life lesson is to develop their consciousness and understanding of all the feelings they are feeling, so they can lift them up to another level of consciousness and awaken their intuition. But people with this number are very emotional and can change their mood from one extreme to another in a matter of seconds. So it truly is a life lesson for them to be aware of and control their emotions. When number 2 is out of balance and the energy is too strong, they become hypersensitive, moody, and extremely demanding. They easily get a feeling of entitlement where they believe that others need to pay special attention to them or expect to get special treatment. They can also be overly dramatic in the way they react to certain situations. But when the energy is too weak, they become distant, cold, and rude. The important thing to notice is that it takes a lot of time for a person who is number 2 to open up. It is very likely that they suffer deeply inside without sharing it with others. Whether you experience your numbers from a balanced or imbalanced perspective depends on how you use your numbers. People with number 2 are designed to choose a career in which they will have fun. They are often occupied in positions where they help, entertain, work closely together with other people, or use their creative skills. They are excellent at service and thrive in all parts of entertainment because of their ability to express their emotions. They are therefore great at acting, speaking, or working with children. In general, they prefer to be a part of some kind of community or to work on projects that require teamwork. But they could also choose a more creative career within the art or music industry, as long as they live according to their life purpose, which I will get more into later in this video. As promised, I am offering one free personal reading to one of my viewers. To participate, you need to add your birthday to your comment. And remember to like the video, as the winner will be announced once the video hits 50 likes. Children who are represented by number 2, especially if it's their main personality, are creative children with an incredible imagination. They enjoy having fun, playing around in nature, and are more likely to practice their telepathic abilities than other numbers. It could be by talking to animals, their toys, or having invisible friends. They can be quite sensitive, so they need to be corrected in a very gentle way. The life purpose of number 2 is to have fun and to be able to inspire others. They need to choose a path they truly enjoy and which puts them in a position where they can help, entertain, or be an inspiration for others. If number 2 finds it challenging to follow their true calling, it could help them to work on developing their spiritual and psychic abilities through meditation or spending time in nature so they can awaken their intuition. Make sure to watch all my videos about the numbers from 1 to 9 to fully understand how number 2 is different.